Let's see how to compress image size. So this is my image, and currently this image size is 4.48 megabyte. Now to compress it, go to your Photoshop and then open the photo in your Photoshop. Then go to File, hover over on Export, and then click on Save for Web, or you can just press Ctrl plus Shift plus Alt plus S. And here is the Save for Web window. Here preset, select here JPEG low, and click here, select JPEG, and here you have to select low, and must enable optimized option here. And we can see after compressing, the image size will be only 1.1 megabyte. Now go ahead and save your image. Once the image successfully compressed, now I'm going back to the image and opening the properties of this image again, and here we can see the current size after compressing is only 1.14 megabyte, and here we can see the image quality is perfectly good. So that's how you can actually compress image without losing quality.